Hello everyone, Ramsey here from Temecula Auto Repair and Transmission. Today I'm here to talk to you about diesels, diesel vehicles, diesel engines. We're going to cover the differences between diesel and gasoline, some of the common problems and failures that we see in diesel engines, maintenance on diesels, as well as things you can do to prolong the life of your diesel. The diesel engine as well as the gasoline engine are both internal combustion engines. That is to say that they burn fuel for energy. That fuel is literally exploded in the cylinders in order to produce energy. The main difference between gasoline and diesel, or what you will find in a diesel engine, is that the diesel engine compresses air first and then injects the fuel into the cylinders to burn it off. That air, as it is compressed, turns very, very hot, and when the fuel is injected into that diesel engine, it explodes. It burns off and essentially produces energy. The main reason our customers, or some customers, prefer diesel engines over gasoline is they're more efficient. Diesel fuel is more dense, thicker than gasoline, and it produces more energy. Diesel engines also tend to run a lot longer, longer longevity, longer life with diesel engines, and they tend to be even more reliable. There's also the issue of power and torque. Diesel engines tend to have more torque and are much better for towing. So the bigger trucks that you see, pickup trucks, which is what we service, that are used for towing, there's a reason for that. Diesel engines do produce more torque and essentially are much better for towing, and that's why our customers prefer those. Some of the most common failures we see in diesel engines or breakdowns are cooling system failures. That is typically seen when the engine is pushed too hard and overheats. That eventually and ultimately causes engine damage potentially. So it's key to maintain your cooling system in a diesel. Some other issues we will see in diesel engines are fuel contamination or fuel failures of some kind, fuel system failures, namely injectors carboning up and not working as efficiently as they should. So fuel system maintenance is also key. Water inside the diesel fuel is also a huge, huge problem. So it's very, very important that the fuel filters and the water separators are maintained and replaced frequently enough to prevent fuel system failures in your diesel engine. Yeah, sometimes the common signs of some failures in the diesel engine or the fuel system is you'll see smoke coming out of the exhaust, excessive smoke, excessive black smoke. That could be an indication of a problem in the engine, be it carbon buildup or fuel injector problems or fuel system problems. It's very, very important that once you start seeing signs, telltale signs of failure, that you get into the shop right away and have us take a look and see what is causing it so as to avoid any further damage. As with most vehicles, maintenance is key, and diesels more importantly even so. With diesels, you want to make sure you're changing the oil frequently enough just to avoid engine problems. Also, the air filter, fuel filter should be replaced per manufacturer specifications. You don't want to go too long outside of the interval without replacing those, especially the fuel filter. You don't want contaminated fuel or a contaminated fuel system. So maintenance is key. Those fuel filters and water separators that are part of the fuel filter need to be replaced pursuant to the manufacturer's recommendations. Some diesel engines are equipped with EGR valves. Those EGR valves over time can get carboned up, so it's very important that you maintain those EGR valves, clean the carbon, and avoid problems there. Some of the symptoms you'll see with plugged EGR valves or carboned up EGR valves is loss of power and just overall poor performance from your diesel engine. Here at Temecula Auto Repair and Transmission, we are a full service diesel shop. We do all repair and maintenance on diesels, anywhere from major repairs like engines. The vehicle behind me right here is in need of an engine, and we diagnosed that and determined it, and it is in the process of having an engine replaced. As to maintenance, we do all maintenance services, and as I recommended, fuel filters, oil changes, air filters, turbocharger replacements and or rebuilds we will take care of. The particulate filter is something you also want to make sure you maintain. Those do get clogged at some point or start to build up with a lot of the soot from the exhaust. Removing those and cleaning them out periodically is a great idea, and that is also something we do. So again, full bumper-to-bumper maintenance on diesel vehicles is something you can expect here at Temecula Auto Repair and Transmission. Our team here at Temecula Auto Repair and Transmission is highly skilled and trained in diesel repair and maintenance. They are ASE certified including ASE certified in diesel. We are also a smog shop, and we do smog inspections, smog checks on diesels. And if there is a problem with that smog check, we can take care of it. We are a one-stop shop when it comes to that. Again, I urge you to properly maintain your diesel engine. That is key. If you do see any sort of problems out on the road, black smoke, poor running, lack of power, anything of that nature, it's imperative that you bring it into us right away so we can address this issue before there's additional damage. You can find us on the web at TemeculaAutoRepair.com or give us a call at 951-699-3332. We do everything on diesels, just to repeat.